Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix two common Roblox errors. Roblox installer not working or installing Roblox player error occurring, cannot installation because Roblox player is already running. Method to fix both of these errors. We're going to follow the same steps. Uninstall Roblox player from your PC fully. You can do this by going to the settings, click on app, and click on apps and features. Now here find the Roblox player and then uninstall it. Next step, once Roblox player has been uninstalled, run the Roblox installer twice. Yes, you read that right. Run the installer once and then run it again. After running the installer twice, press Windows plus R to open the run dialog box. Type %local app data % and press enter. Here, open the Roblox folder and open the versions folder. Open the folders within the versions until you see Roblox Player Launcher, not Roblox Player Installer, and run the Roblox Player Launcher. That's it, guys. You should now be able to install and play Roblox without any errors. If you're still having problems, please leave a comment below and I'll try to help you out. In additional notes, if you're getting the error, Roblox Player is already running. Even though you've uninstalled it, you can try restarting your computer in safe mode and then uninstalling Roblox Player again. If you're still having problems, you can contact Roblox support for help. That's all for today's video. If it helps, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I'll be very grateful if you subscribe. Have a good day.